Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for another video. Today I wanted to quickly show you all how to use an insert in my shop that is new this year that I think is going to be the insert that I'm going to say pretty much everyone needs to have in their planner. So if you're someone who uses a planner and you use a calendar system or any sort of system in your planner that is not a daily, right? So if you're not using a daily planner, you're using like a weekly or a monthly or some combination of that, right? This insert is something I think you absolutely need to have. And this is it right here. I'm going to show you. This insert is my half-page scheduler insert. And essentially what this is half of a sheet of either half letter, which is the version that I'm using right now. And it also comes when you purchase it as a personal size as well. So it's like half of like a personal, a little bit bigger actually than half of a personal piece of paper. But this is a day on one page undated. And I think this is the perfect supplement insert to have no matter what planner or what system you have. If you're not already using a daily and you might actually need every once in a while create like a daily schedule for yourself because you are overwhelmed with your weekly spreads, then this is the insert for you. So as you guys can see, here is my current planner spread. This is my week on one pages. This is what week on one page, and this is the insert that I use. And for the most part, it's fine for my needs, but every once in a while I have a day where I really do need to either schedule out like a full schedule for myself or make like a complete task list. And this insert is now the tool that's going to help me do it. So I want to walk you through an example of like how I might use this. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill this out. So what you have up here is you have a place to highlight or circle the month and the day. And I'm actually doing this. This is like I'm going to like kind of give you guys an example, but this is like from my real life from Tuesday. I had a very busy day in which I needed the day to be scheduled out. And this insert is a godsend on days like that. So you highlight or circle, whatever you want to do, your month and date, right? So you know what day of the week it is that you're on. You have a spot for your top three. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my top three most important things I have to get done that day. Okay, so you've got your top three, space for your top three, so you're always prioritizing what you need to get done. Then there is a space for a schedule. So you can go ahead and create a schedule for yourself. Okay, so you can see this is just like a kind of like a overview of what my schedule was. And something I really like to do is when I have something that I know is going to take a few hours, I just kind of use my highlighter on the hours to make sure that I kind of have blocked it off, right? So that is, you know, how I'd fill out the schedule for the day. And then on the back, I can make a complete task list if I have like a whole bunch of things I need to do. And on this day, I personally was getting a lot of work done for a bunch of inserts I was trying to do. So this was like a perfect day to use something like this, right? So I'm able to go ahead and just schedule out an entire day. So my priorities, top three, a complete schedule of the day. You can see this is like me writing out what I actually did on Tuesday, and then tasks, right? And then obviously you get them done, you check things off. We all know how to use check boxes, right? But that is the half-page scheduler. I really think it's a very nifty little insert. And like I said, when you purchase it from the shop, it is a printable that is compatible with half letter or personal, but the half letter file is also compatible with A5, full letter, A4, and if you have another size that you want to print it as, you are absolutely able to do that as well. And you should be able to print it for a variety of other sizes, anything that fits on a full letter or A4 sheet of paper. So I will leave a link down below to where you can purchase this little insert, but I really do think that this is probably, out of everything I sell in my shop, this is the one thing that I think everyone needs if you're not already using a daily day on one page or day on two page calendar, because this can be used to supplement pretty much any planning system and any set of inserts. And it really does give you just that extra organization and flexibility on days where you might actually absolutely need to have that information. So I hope that seeing this little tutorial has been helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed seeing these tutorials. I'm going to be making a few more of these really quick, one-shot sort of videos walking you through how to use my inserts, especially the new inserts from the 2021 planner collection. And yeah, definitely check out the collection, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!